Hey guys, welcome back to MJ Homestead. I'm Mike. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. If you're not a mom, don't forget to call your mom. Anyway, we're going to show you what we're doing today. We're putting up the gutter system for our water catchment system today. We're using these, I think they call them J-lock or something. They're really cheap plastic gutters. And our plan is just to put them on both sides of our garage. And then we're going to come out of the end here, out of our downspout with a 45 into another 45 here on the side of the garage. And then our water containment container will sit right here. Then we're going to block that up with some cinder blocks. We'll dig down in the ground and level that all off so it has a level surface to sit on. It'll sit on this garage skirt here, and then we'll lay our cinder blocks out this way to hold our 275 gallon containers or whatever, and we'll just plumb down into that so that it'll catch the water. That's the whole idea anyway. Hopefully it works out that way. But anyway, we'll show you what we're doing. All right, this K-Snap rain gutter system that they sell at Menards here. It kind of works like this. They have these little snaps here. They're the hanger brackets. They just kind of go into the front of your gutter like that, and snap onto the back. That's where your mounting screws go in too, to hang the gutter up. We wanted to put a little bit of slope on our gutter too, so we just measured down 2 inches off the top, like right where that angled roof metal is. Measured down 2 inches, and we snapped a chalk line all the way across, all the way at the top and the other end. So we just kind of try to follow our chalk line. If we can succeed in that, it should have a gradual slope to it anyway. That should help out the water flow a little bit. Then what we plan on doing too is downspout looks like this. This is where the gutter snaps in, and then you'll start your downspout. I want to measure my overhang on this end, and then measure back on the front faceplate here to this side of this downspout right here. That way, when we plumb over to the garage, it'll be even. It'll just glide right over on the side of the garage, and we just come straight down to another 45 to finish that off. That's what we plan on doing for these. All right, this is how the whole thing turned out. We used a little bit over 3 sticks of gutter. So we had about 31 feet, something like that, to cover. Then just came down to our 45, like we said, and 45 right down in here, and another 45 down into a spout, to another 45. It goes directly down into the tank. We did put a screen over the top there too to catch dirt and bird shit, whatever, you don't want to get in your water. But the good thing about this is it's going to work out really good for us is the valve on the bottom is pointed directly at the garden pretty much. So when we're set up with the pump and everything, we can just use the rainwater all the time to water the garden if it ever really rains or anything like that. But with this K-Snap style gutter systems and things, I probably wouldn't put it on a house. To be honest, I probably wouldn't hire me to put it in either. If you guys ever get the chance, I wouldn't hire me to do it, but this is what we came up with. And with our tanks too, like I said before, we have a skirting cord around the outside of the garage. We just place this pallet they make, or this metal basket that supports this plastic tank, just sits on there, and then we just ran a board with a level on top and leveled these cinder blocks in the front to keep it level. We do have some gravel underneath there for some drainage, but I assume eventually it'll probably, once the tank gets full, settle a little bit. We kind of figured it's probably okay, because it'll at least, if it's going to tip, it'll tip towards our valve in the front, which would be a good thing anyway if the tank gets low or something like that. But for us, it should work out pretty good. We're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the garage, just a mirror image. So we'll have 2 of these tanks sitting here, and we're thinking maybe we'll run an overflow system too. If these 2 get full, we can just have some, like say, 1.5 inch PVC pipe, run it back to the garage, and run it into that 3rd tank. So if these 2 get full, they'll just overflow into that 3rd tank, so we can have even more water. Probably like 750 gallons or something like that on hand at that point, which would work out pretty good. Another thing I kind of want to do too is put a rain gauge somewhere really close to the garage here, wherever, and kind of make some little charts or something like that, so we can tell if we get like 3100ths of rain or something like that. What does that calculate out to as far as how many gallons of water we get off of that? Once both sides are set up and things like that. I suppose if you did a lot of math, you'd probably figure it out. But I don't feel like doing that. I'm just gonna get a rain gauge and we'll figure it out later. Also this morning, or no, last night we decided to butcher one of our meat birds because we're gonna do all the meat birds in about 2 weeks on Memorial Day weekend. I'll probably show you guys that too, or whatever. Mary's parents are coming to help us. You can meet them. That'll work out good. And then, but we decided to get, try to get a system down or something. Just kind of practice a little bit. So we took the biggest bird we could find in there. We butchered him. He ended up being a little over 4 pounds. I think it was 4 pounds 1 ounce, something like that. After we gutted him and plucked the feathers and all that kind of stuff. So he's ready for dinner tonight. And then this morning when we woke up, there's another sick one that wasn't really moving much or anything like that. So we decided to go ahead and butcher him before he just dies and he's just kind of wasted, a waste or whatever. So that's the deal with the meat birds. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Just have a great night. Happy Mother's Day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.